Welcome back to Tunga College, Jamkhandi. This is Ramesh Pujari, my dear students. Dear students, in this class, we're going to learn BSc 4 semesters basic English, my dear students, basic English. But before going to start the program in detail, let us know very well what is the exact syllabus of a 4 semesters basic English language, my dear students. Dear students, as you know very well that we are having our graduation under the guidance of Rani Channamma University, Belgaum. And our university has described a specific syllabus for you. Though it looks sometimes difficult, but yet it is almost related to your competitive examination. For example, in your first sem, second sem, third sem, whatever you have been come across as your basic English grammar syllabus, completely, collaboratively, they try to give you related to science and technology, my dear students. Same like that, as you know very well, you people having right now Echo English textbook. And for your fourth semester, my dear students, the textbook which is called Echo English, Learning English through Environmental Issues and Integrated Interactive Anthology. Publication of the textbook is Bloomsbury, edited by N. Krishnaswamy, Lalita Krishnaswamy, Dr. B.S. Walke. And you have, my dear students, in that Echo English textbook, there are two parts are there. First part is related to third semester and the next part is related to fourth semester. So no need of that one, having which kind of units you have, my dear students. But the major concept of your syllabus in this basic English of your fourth semester, that is grammar and composition, my dear students. Look at that, the word, what it says, composition. It says that how do you compose your sentences, your communication, your writing skill with the help of your composition of all semesters grammar, because the grammar topic which you have in your this semester, my dear students, are related to correlate to grammar topics. It means what I would like to say that the thing what you studied in first semester as grammar is relating in this semester. The first topic, which is called very important, very tough topic, that is called, my dear students, correction of sentences, which plays, this grammar plays very vital role in your competitive examinations such as banking, SSC, and KPSC, UPSC, whichever exam you go, my dear students, you try, you attempt, there you will going to have this topic called correction of sentences. And in this correction of sentences, my dear students, the major topics are articles. I think you are remembering the things which you studied in the first semester. A preposition, a number, noun number, subject and verb agreement, question tags, pronouns, adjectives, adverbs, homophones, homonyms. I hope you studied homophones and homonyms in your 10th standard. So totally, the picture of the correction of sentences is totally not just a film. It is like a web series, my dear students. It's like a web series. Unless you know very well the first series, you can't understand the last one. So same like that, correction of sentences also like that only. The thing what you studied in 10th standard or far than that, or for post or pre of the 10th standard, whatever you studied, everything is collaboratively made in this correction of sentences, my dear students. And the second topic of the grammar and composition is speeches and direct and indirect. Very important topic. And next one is actus passive. And the next one is application letter for jobs without CV. And paragraph writing, my dear students, very essential, because see, when you come across very well regarding correction of sentences, speeches and voice, I mean active voice and passive voice, you will be very good what to write, how to write, and when to write. So same like that, the paragraph contains these grammar topics only related, like my family, kinds of books, the greenhouse effect, importance of sports, solar energy, a decision that changed my life, advantages of vegetarianism, and totally. So completely, it is human values and times, everything like that kind of topics you're going to have in our examinations, my dear students. And the pattern of question paper is, you know already that IA contains 20 marks and theory exam contains 80 marks. First is objective, next it is a comprehension questions in a sentence or two. So 2 marks questions you have, my dear students. Look at here, please. And the next essay type, 1 out of 2, 1 out of 2. So 10 marks each of the third and fourth. And the fifth one is short notes, my dear students. And next, the sixth one is correction of sentences or correction of errors. 10 marks you have, my dear. So 10 marks you have. And the next one is direct and indirect, 5 marks. Active SOS, 5 marks. And job application or application letters for job without CV is 5 marks. I think you come across this kind of grammar topic in PUC 12th, my dear friend. That time you wrote with CV, but now you are going to write without CV. So the last one is paragraph writing, my dear students, paragraph. Totally, it contains 80 marks, my dear students. I hope you understood what is the exact syllabus of your BSc fourth semester basic English, my dear students. Thank you very much.